Hujambo, karibu kwenye kipindi kingine tena cha Kiswahili na mimi Nancy Grace. Hello, welcome to another lesson of Kiswahili with me Nancy Grace. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about people and their work. People and the work they do, which is watu na kazi zao. People and their work. Let's begin. 1. Daktari. Daktari, doctor. 2. Muuguzi, muuguzi, nurse, nurse. 3. Mwashi, mwashi, mason, mason. 4. Seremala, seremala, carpenter. 5. Mpishi, mpishi, cook, cook. 6. Rubani, rubani, pilot, pilot. 7. Mvuvi, mvuvi, fisherman, fisherman. 8. Dereva, dereva, driver, driver. 9. Mhunzi, mhunzi, blacksmith, blacksmith. Mhunzi. A blacksmith or a mhunzi is someone who forges using metals. 10. Dobi, dobi, laundry, laundry. 11. Msusi, msusi, braider, braider. 12. Mkulima, mkulima, farmer, farmer. 13. Mshoni, mshoni, tailor, tailor. 14. Mhandisi, mhandisi, engineer, engineer. 15. Sonara, sonara, jeweler, jeweler. 16. Mhasibu, mhasibu, accountant, accountant. 17. Nahodha, nahodha, captain, captain. 18. Bawabu, bawabu, watchman, watchman. 19. Mhazini, treasurer. 20. Kasisi, kasisi, priest, priest. 21. Imamu, imamu, imam, imam. 22. Mkalimani, mkalimani, interpreter, interpreter. 23. Mhariri, mhariri, editor, editor. 24. Dalali, dalali, broker or auctioneer, broker or auctioneer. 25. Yaya, yaya, nanny, nanny. 26. Kinyozi, kinyozi, baba, baba. 27. Tarishi, tarishi, messenger, messenger. 28. Msarifu, msarifu, executor, executor. Msarifu, executor, someone who executes wills, decrees, orders. We call him a msarifu. Thank you for being patient till the end of the lesson. I hope you learned something. If you're new to my channel, kindly make sure to subscribe before leaving. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new comment. Like, share, and comment.